Happy Thursday, guys. Welcome back to another video. So let's just get into it, man. We're going to break down the indexes here and 5 companies that just reported earnings literally this morning. So guys, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. And listen, guys, fund your account with at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So if you want 30 free stocks and you want to help the channel out in the process, check out the link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers, guys. Let's get into it. So it's about 10:30 a.m. right now on the East Coast. Excuse me, guys. Let me clear my freaking throat. What's going on here? And we're going to break down these stocks, these indexes, and you'll watch the video shortly after. I think I'm going to upload it right after I film this one. So it's pretty, pretty up to date. So you can see right now we are pretty flat on the indexes, a little green, a little red, nothing crazy. The Russell's down, for example, 0.04%. QQQ's up 0.16%. Same with the S&P pretty much. And the Dow's down almost 0.25%. So not much movement overall for the indexes today. And it looks like, honestly, SPY's still trying to break out here. We do have a bit of a wedge on this 1 hour time frame. You guys see it. We have a wedge here on SPY. Same thing on QQQ, essentially. You guys kind of see that. So we have to wait for the overall breakout, which honestly, man, even though we're up on the day, moving over the last couple of days, we're not fully breaking out yet, but maybe we get that later today, at some point tomorrow, right? So let's just get into it. Let's get into it. We have a couple companies, stocks to break down. So let's dive into it. So number one is LLY, Eli and Lilly, or Eli Lilly. I always say Eli and Lilly. It's Eli Lilly and Company. They reported earnings, guys, and their stock's up 2.3% right now. So the company reported earnings per share, adjusted, by the way, of $5.32, which beat the $4.94 expected, but sales missed $13.53 billion versus $13.57 billion expected. So beat EPS, missed on revenue, and they expect 2025 adjusted EPS of $22.50 to $24 versus, wait a second, the estimate of $12.64. So you're telling me the guidance is pretty much double of what the analysts were expecting for EPS for full year 25? What are the analysts smoking, man? Holy smokes, that is insane. Yeah, okay, that was a typo. Hold on. Yeah, that was a typo. Analysts were expecting $22.69. Either way, still lower than what Eli Lilly's guiding for now, so that's good. And Eli Lilly's guiding for full year sales of $58 to $61 billion versus $59.9 billion expected. So pretty good guidance out of Eli Lilly. That's why the stock is moving. The stock's looking past the miss on revenue for the previous quarter because guidance is good. That's how stocks are, guys. They're forward-looking vehicles. So we're getting a golden cross on Eli Lilly now. Clearly, we're pushing to multi-month highs at this point. We're looking really good, man. And at this point, momentum could carry us even higher. Now we're pushing, again, multi-week highs. Some key levels we have here moving forward are, 925, 950 to 975. That's been a resistance point over the last roughly year. So this looks like it's heading in the right direction, baby. I like it. LLY is the ticker. Good guidance. Add it to your watch list. AstraZeneca, AZN, is another one that I want to go over. This one's also moving to multi-week highs. We have a golden cross on AZN here, guys, up 4.3%. So AZN reported adjusted earnings per share of $1.04 versus $1.03 expected. That beat and they beat on sales, $14.89 billion versus $14.29 billion expected. So a double beat out of AstraZeneca. And let's see, anything on guidance, total revenue to grow in high single digits, core EPS in low double digits for AstraZeneca here. And revenue and EPS beat on higher cancer and respiratory drug sales. Interesting here, guys. They're actually facing a $4.5 million potential fine in China, which honestly is not much at all for a company this size. But hey, we're moving in the right direction, breaking out multi-week highs. And guys, we're approaching a big resistance now. We can see $75. That was support all throughout May last year, all throughout October. So for a good 5 months, we then broke through it, making it resistance. And now we're approaching it as resistance, right? You know, if this spot breaks $75, AZN could be going a lot higher. So keep your eyes on it. Moving forward here, guys, we also got earnings out of Philip Morris, ticker symbol PM. Let's pull this up. Holy smokes, guys. Philip Morris up 9% on the day. Oh, my goodness. I can't tell you the last time I've seen that kind of move, but, oh, man, my nose is itching. I'm fighting the sneeze, guys. I'm fighting a sneeze right now. But let's see here. Adjusted earnings per share of $1.55 versus $1.50. Looks like sales 9.71 versus 9.44. So a double beat out of Philip Morris. Looks like they see Q1 adjusted EPS of $1.58 to $1.63. All right. Full year 25 EPS of $7.04 to $7.17 versus $6.99 expected. Pretty good there on guidance. So yeah, man. Looks like Zyn demand. Yeah, this company owns Zyn. I forgot about that. Zyn demand continues. Man, that stuff is nuts. I don't personally partake in Zyn or any of that stuff, but I know they sell like hotcakes. I know that for sure. And maybe if we dive deeper into their actual earnings release, we can see the numbers behind Zyn. I'm actually curious about that. But yeah, 9% move on a company like Philip Morris, guys. That's pretty unheard of. It looks like they did something similar last time they reported earnings, which, wow, yeah, they went up 9% last time too, 10%. Which is pretty remarkable. So keep your eyes on Philip Morris, guys. Honeywell, HON, is another one which is dumping, down 5% on the day. Honeywell reported earnings adjusted of $2.47 versus $2.32 expected on sales of $10.09 billion versus $9.83 billion expected. All right, double beat for Honeywell here, it looks like. Yep. And, yeah, I mean, that's why we're selling off. It's guidance. Full year 25 adjusted EPS of $10.10 to $10.50 versus $10.91 expected. So a lot lower on the guidance than the expectations. That's not good news, guys. And sales of $39.6 to $40.6 billion is what they're guiding versus the estimates of $41.26 from the analysts, man. So, yeah, weak guidance for Honeywell, and that's all it takes for a stock to go down. Just like that's all it takes for a stock to go up if the guidance is good. It works in the other direction as well, and now we're seeing that here on Honeywell. Although it's still looking decent on the charts, we can't knock it too much. But it is a falling knife. It is a falling knife, and we'll see if buyers come in at 200, 210, kind of where we're at now. So the last stock for the video, guys, is Bristol Myers Squibb, ticker symbol BMY, which is down about 2%. And don't worry, guys, we'll have a lot more fun companies to break down in another video. We have Amazon coming after the bell, a bunch of other companies, but these are the ones we got this morning, man. BMY is down 2%. The company reported earnings per share adjusted of $1.67 versus $1.46 expected on sales of $12.34 billion versus $11.57 billion expected. So a double beat for BMY. Looks like 2025 EPS or sales revenue, they expect around $45.5 billion versus $47.8 billion. So yeah, guidance is a bit weak there. Probably for EPS as well. Yeah, $6.55 to $6.85 in earnings per share versus $6.92 expected. Sales $45.5 billion versus $46.27 billion expected on the guidance. So yeah, not the best guidance for BMY. Probably why the stock's down 2%, but it's not the end of the world, man. We're still holding an uptrend, still looking pretty decent. We actually have an ascending triangle on the stock. Do you guys see it? Pretty clear as day on the 4-hour chart here. So let's see if we end up getting buyers in the mid-high 50s for a push back to the 60s. So guys, that's it for the video. 5 companies, 5 stocks that just reported earnings. That's the rundown. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe here on YouTube and get up to 30 stocks from Moomoo. Check out the link right down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Open up your account and deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks once you do that, and fund your account with at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, get on it, man. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.